Rides and Ratchets, this is Nico.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, dude? How you doing?
I'm good. Just calling to see what you're up to.
Shoot, you know that video I've been working on?
Yeah, what's up?
I'm about to fucking post that shit up on YouTube.
Damn! You just now finished that video?
Yes, sir.
Shit, better late than never, huh?
Yes, sir.
So what you do in this video?
Well, I swapped the handlebars to the jackrabbits, and then I also put a cowl on the front headlight.
Bruh, didn't you just change the handlebars on that, like, recently?
Yep, but I just wasn't feeling it.
Why is that?
I just wasn't really feeling it. My arms would get tired after like 30 minutes because I'm not used to riding like that.
Okay. Well, shit, I'll let you get to it then, man.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, thanks for calling, man. We'll link up soon, I guess.
Yeah, for sure. Send me a link when the video is posted.
Alright, yeah, I will do. I'll talk to you later.
Alright, dude. Peace.
Peace and love, Grease. Away the aesthetic that I was going for. I don't know. What do you guys think? It gives it a little bit of a cool, aggressive look, though. That's for sure. In there now. Yes, it does fit like that. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, why are you being a bitch? Come on, you hoe. There we go. God damn. Okay. Yes. Should be good. Yep. Booyah. Okay, I'll put this back through the zip tie. So keep it a little cleaner, you know. Stick this back in the hole. Nice. Okay. So I skipped all of the boring stuff where I'm just like installing the risers and handlebars and stuff, and I just fast forwarded it. YouTube magic. Woo. Boom. It's a brand new bike. But yeah, that's what it looks like for now. You know, it looks pretty good in my opinion. I'll show you how it looks when I'm sitting on it. So pretty comfortable. Yeah, feels good. Not sure yet, but the only thing else after that is let's see, that's how skinny it is. Pretty skinny. Skinny mini. Yeah. I was working on this tank. I'm gonna digress for a second. I was working on this tank, just getting it ready for paint, and other projects kind of took over the priorities, I guess. There's just so much work that needs to be done on it. Like, there's cracking right here. There's some paint down there that the primer's not reacting well with. So I need to get rid of all that as best I can so that it doesn't wrinkle up like this again and break. And yeah, that's due to a reaction of primer and paint not mixing well. It's practically ready for paint. I just need to fix this, and then it's ready. I'll just have to sand it one more time, and then it'll be ready for paint. But as things go, you know, the universe has different plans for you, I guess. You gotta experience different things, right, to know what you like, right? And I guess I just like experiencing things a lot faster due to my impatience. One thing that I do need to do, for sure, is figure out this situation. See that? The pressure's not building up. And I've been spending the last 3 days on this. So the last time I was recording, that was 3 days ago. And yeah. Ooh. It's gonna be like that. Kind of like that. Yo. All right, let's get to it. So it came with some instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, the only thing I didn't know what this was for was, I was just like, what is this? But I looked on here and it looks like it's the spacer that you put onto the top of the light. So I just gotta take that out, put this in there like that, and then these are the spacers that go on top of that go in between the bolts, and then I don't know what these are for. Because it has these, and then it has these. Why does it have, what are those for? I know these screw into the bracket to hold the cowl in there, but I don't see any pictures of the actual, those bolts. What are they for? So yeah, I guess we'll just try and figure it out right now. All right. So it's gonna be like that, I guess. it shouldn't be too hard to do. Just take this cap off. Gotta undo that. This is gonna go like this, and then this is supposed to go. Here it is. So I guess this just goes right here. On there. There we go. Just like that. Is that how high it's supposed to be? Yep. And then this goes like this. And then there's doesn't look pretty, but no one's gonna see that. I just need to tighten it down. Okay, just hand tighten everything. Then, last thing is the actual cowl. So let's back you guys up just a tad. I still don't know what these are for though. Line up right? Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Oh man, look at that. Like, maybe I don't need the spacer. See how it's too high? I need to bring it down a little bit. So I don't know. I don't think I need those spacers. Hang on. I'm gonna turn my fan on real quick because it's hot as hell. Cool air going in here. Look at that shit. I just bought this from Costco. Nice little fan. Feels good. It's only on level 1 and it's pretty strong. Yeah, maybe I'll put it down like this. Blow the air out. Yeah. I'm probably gonna start sneezing a lot because a bunch of dust just got blown up in the air. Ratchet screwdriver. Rising ratchets, baby. Okay. I got this in here. I ended up just using a spacer here because the bolt that I have is too long, and this spacer makes it just right to where there's just a little bit of thread, and I was able to thread it into that space and tighten it down, and then now I just need to put on the cowl and see how that works. So the problem I'm having is this plate, this part of the plate needs to come forward just a little bit because the cowl, when it's under the light and you bring it up to try and bolt it down, it doesn't reach high enough. See that? But, it's like right there, you see it? So I'm just gonna hit this down a little bit, and then it should be good enough. All right, peoples. So I was able to get this thing bolted in there. Just barely. I'm gonna tighten it down. Everything's kind of loose right now. I ended up stripping the thread pattern inside the tree on the right side, I guess, if you're looking at it from here. On the left side, it's not as bad. I was able to get that in there, and I'm gonna tighten it up and everything. I'm still able to hit my switch, my start switch, like that. Still able to hit my light switch, on and off, high beam, low beam. Yep. It's flush around the light. Yep. I guess we can turn it on and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Hey, that's not bad. Tell me what you guys think. Leave some comments down in the comment section. Let me know if you guys hate it, if you like it. I don't know what to think yet. It looks cool. I kind of thought it was going to be bigger, but I guess that's what you get when you buy something on eBay. I had to make it work, obviously. I had to do a bunch of fiddling. I hate that I stripped it in there, so I'll have to re-tap that. Pretty much that's all I got. I'm gonna try and get some riding footage soon, get the GoPro out. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I want some feedback. I just want to know, like, maybe give me some ideas to do to the bike, because I like to look at a lot of different bikes for inspiration, but you know, there's a lot of things that I don't think about. There might just be that one person that says do this and it totally changes everything. So we'll see how it rides on the freeway and everything. And yeah, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, so subscribe. That's gonna help me out a lot. I'm just trying to, I have some goals in mind on this whole YouTube thing, and 500 subscribers is the first goal to meet. So I'm trying to push for that. Really trying to just put videos out and, you know, interact with you guys and all that stuff. So let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.